Lead generation, I explained how we use Apollo, Lead Feeder, Browse.ai. We scrape lists, scrape information, put a spreadsheet together. The AI, we say it qualifies the lead. Qualifies meaning it looks for certain criteria that we're looking for. Maybe I want businesses with 50 or more employees, so it finds that. Maybe I want businesses that have reported revenue of more than $2 million, so it finds that. Maybe I want a business that's only located within a 50-mile radius of a particular zip code. It can find that for me. So it can really help to generate the leads for you. Lead follow-up, I've already explained that. We use Go High Level, but one of the things I want to stress again is that use the tools that you have and use their functionality first. Try to see what your tools can do that you're not doing already. Because 90% of the time when I'm working with a business or working with an insurance agent and I'm explaining what we're doing in our agency, they go, I don't think we can do that. And I say, well, have you asked? Have you tried to find out? Did you ever go to your carrier or go to your technology tool provider and say, can I do this? No, I just figured. Well, the moment you figured, assumed, or guessed, you just screwed up. Okay, you shouldn't be figuring, assuming, or guessing. You should be asking. And if you're not asking, shame on you. Okay. Quoting and data intake. So it can, let's say someone calls in, they want to do a quote. Well, you should already have your chat. If you're not using PO Rater, you're not using Applied, you're not using something like that, or Easy Links, you know, maybe you're set up your own form, okay, to intake data. Well, if you're going to do that, why not have an AI version of that? If you're going to do that anyway, have an AI version. Another thing that we discovered that we love, AI can extract data from ACORD forms and from PDFs and throw them into raters. So the way we discovered this is we were writing like a 10 location business, right? And so we had all their ACORD forms, we had everything, and one of my VAs who's working this case was like, it's got to be an easier way. So they went out to ChatGPT and they started asking, hey, how can I pull this information off the ACORD forms and how can I do this? And ChatGPT was just load the ACORD forms. Just load up the ACORD forms, let me know what you need, and I'll pull the data out and then we'll put it in the rater. It's like, get out of here. You can't do that. So it did. We loaded up the ACORD, again, in agent mode. We loaded up the ACORD forms. We told it to go to, I think it was Applied. We told it to go to Applied Rater and take the information from the ACORD forms and put it into Applied Rater. And it worked, okay?